Hi, I'm Lauren Talbot, your local realtor, investor, and mom. I am a full time realtor licensed in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware with over 13 years of experience. I am proud to be affiliated with Iron Valley Real Estate in Pennsylvania and Delaware, and Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate in New Jersey. I love what I do for a living, and I have a new series that I'm going to be putting together for you to help prep you for the upcoming open house weekends. So while I can't go through every open house that's out there, there are just too many, I will pick a select few and we'll go over them each weekend. So as of right now, we've got 926 active or coming soon listings in Bucks County and 150 open houses scheduled for this weekend. New on the market last week, just in the last 7 days, 186 properties. So 150 open houses, way too many to see them all, but I'm going to pick a select handful each week to showcase. We're going to focus on a specific topic for the week and just see where it takes us. If you have any input for future weeks as to what kind of topic you would like me to focus on, what sort of open houses you want me to find specific for your needs, let me know in the comments and I will try and add that to our list one of these upcoming weekends. So this week, we're going to check out open houses that are walking distance to a bustling downtown. So here in Bucks, we have so many great towns. We've got Yardley, New Hope, Doylestown, Newtown. Everybody's got a great main street. So we're going to focus on a few of those. We're going to start with this cute house at 109 Longshore Ave in Yardley. It's listed for $699,900. They have an open house Saturday, the 27th, from 1 to 3 p.m. And this house is just adorable. So it's a 10-minute walk to downtown. And if you're familiar with Yardley, you can go places like Canal Street Grill, Vault Brewing, Pretty Bird Coffee. You're also walking distance to the Canal Towpath, which connects our beautiful water towns and is just so great for walking and biking and spending a day outside. The fall weather is gorgeous and it is officially fall now. So it's such a great time to be out there in the fresh air. So a little bit about this property. Sorry for the look on those pictures. There we go. All right, let me just give me a moment. So sorry. There we go. All right. So here we go. This house, it was built in 1800 and it has a great blend of modern amenities and historic charm. So it offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The square footage is almost 2,500 square feet. The school district is going to be Pennsbury Schools. It is an older home, but it does have central air, public water, and sewer. And it has both gas and electric heating, and the taxes are super low. It is $6,000 a year, which is pretty great for Yardley. On this house, if you were to put down 20%, you're looking at a payment of approximately $4,500 a month. That is going to depend on flood insurance, though. This is close to the river. So this one is, as you can see in that picture right here, so this one is going to require flood insurance. But still, at $4,500 a month, that seems like a pretty good deal. And like I said, has an open house Saturday from 1 to 3. The next one, we're going to head on over to Newtown. So this is 5 Bolton Circle over in Newtown. It's listed at $785,000. This one had been on the market. So if you missed it the first time, you're in luck. It is back on the market now. This listing is over in Newtown Gate. It's a little bit further of a walk than the Yardley property, but it's just 1 mile from shops and restaurants on State Street. So you can either drive there, or a mile is a nice stroll for, a weekend. Maybe it'll take you about 15 minutes or so to get into town. You are also just a short drive away from Tyler Park, which is just a great place to spend a lovely fall day. So if you do check out this open house, you may want to go and check out Tyler Park afterwards. So this house has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's just over 2,600 square feet. This one's going to be over in Council Rock School District. It also has central air, public water, sewer, gas heating, and your taxes are approximately $7,700 a year. So with 20% down on this, you're looking at a monthly payment of just over $4,900. Our next one is also going to be in Newtown. Oh, no, I apologize. That is the last one for Newtown. We're jumping over to Doylestown next. So now for Doylestown, we're going to head over to 418 North Street in Doylestown. This one is new to the market as of last week. It is listed at $899,000 and has an open house on Saturday from 1 to 3. And if I did miss it, I apologize. Bolton's open house is also 1 to 3 on Saturday. I apologize. We'll have a summary at the end. So 418 North, Saturday from 1 to 3 is the open house. And this one is about, let's say, a 15-minute walk would take you down into the heart of Doylestown, bustling with shops, restaurants, the county theater. There's just so much to do in town, and the house is the perfect starting point for that. It's also a short stroll to the new Target in Doylestown, as well as one of my favorite breakfast spots in town, Turning Point. My kids and I love to head on over there. They're wonderful. Breakfast or lunch, whenever you go, it's delicious. This house is going to have 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is almost 3,000 square feet, and this one is going to be in Central Bucks School District. Also has central air, water, sewer. This one's going to be oil heating. And again, has, look at that kitchen. So beautiful. And again, has low taxes, about $6,000, or just under $6,000, I should say. But super cute, right in the heart of Doylestown. And this one, 20% down, you're looking at a payment of approximately $5,200 a month. The bathrooms have been renovated, nice color choices throughout, nice flooring. They've really done some good updates on there. Oh, and that back room is awesome, the back sunroom. All right. Next, we're going to head a little further into town now, and we're going to check out 54 North Church Street in Doylestown. So this one is new to the market. Open house on this one is going to be Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. And this one's listed at $1 million. So this one is going to be right in the heart. You can see on this map, right in the heart of downtown Doylestown. It's a beautiful 1850s Victorian home, walking distance to everything that Doylestown has to offer, including the museums, the library, Burpee Park. If you are looking for a house that's walkable to everything, this charming home is going to be the one for you. It definitely is full of charm and character. Unfortunately, we don't have any inside photos, so you're going to have to go and check this one out in person. But it is a 4-bed, 1 full, 2 half bath. Square footage is about 2,100 square feet. Central Bucks School District again, central air, public water and sewer, gas heating, and super low taxes of $4,500 a year approximately. So, we do. Sorry, last time I checked, we did not have interior photos. I'm excited to see these. Okay, so it's got some updates inside. That room's adorable over here. We do have some built-ins in this room, which is great. And this one with 20% down, you're looking at a monthly payment of approximately just over $5,600. They've got the updated bathroom in this one and some real cool features like the stained glass, things that you're not going to find in your regular, cookie cutter type houses. This one's definitely got the charm if that's what you're looking for. And the location is spot on. All right, next we are going to see, what else do I have on this list? Okay. We've got 2 more that we're going to check out. Now, these next 2, I wanted to share them anyway, even though they don't fit the criteria that we were looking for with being walkable to the downtown. The reason I want to do that is I want to make sure there's something a little bit more affordable in the ones that we're looking at here. So I thought 1310 Branch Road in Perkasie was a good option at 429.9. This one has an open house on Saturday from 1 to 5, as well as Sunday from 11 to 5. This house it's not necessarily walkable, but you're just a short drive to shops and restaurants in Perkasie. The house sits on almost 1.5 acres. And with the lower price point, it really keeps your monthly payment lower and more reasonable. So if you're on a slightly tighter budget, this one might make more sense for you. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. The square footage is about 1,200 square feet. Plus, it has an unfinished basement. So while it's not included in the square footage, that's going to help you with storage, or if down the line that's something that could potentially be finished. This one's over in Penridge School District. It has central air. Because we're getting into more acreage, this one's going to have on-site well and septic. It is oil heating, and taxes are super low on this one too, under $4,300 a year. So something like this with 20% down, you're looking at a monthly payment of only $2,800. So why rent when you can purchase a house for under $3,000 a month? If you are interested in seeing this home, just be aware that showings are extremely limited. So in addition to this weekend's open houses on Saturday and Sunday, they are permitting private showings on Monday through Thursday of this week. If you can't make the open house, if you can't make either of the open houses, and if you're not already working with an agent, reach out to me and I can make sure that we get you scheduled to see this house if you're interested. That backyard is great, and there's a nice covered bridge. So typical of our area. Now, last but not least, now we're going to go in the complete opposite direction. We're going to go on the opposite side of the spectrum. If money is not an object, this is what a $3 million house looks like in Bucks County. This house is Havenwood, and it's a stunning custom-built estate, and it's on 10 acres in a park-like setting at 260 Cafferty Road in Pipersville. This one has an open house Sunday, the 28th, from 1 to 4 p.m. Now, just take a look at some of these great photos here as soon as they load. It's going to showcase some really awesome features of this house. So look at those back windows over there. Nice driveway up to the home as well. Now, the interior of this house is going to show a lot of custom features, handcrafted iron staircase railings. Let's see when we can scroll through and find some of those for you. Big kitchen. This is a handcrafted wood cover for your TV. That's pretty cool. Where are we? Okay, this is pretty neat too. Stone sculpture wall in the meditation room. That's really neat. Up here, they've got some wood carvings. They call this the treetops, this room. So it's pretty cool there. We've got the in-ground pool. This is a saltwater pool. There's also an outdoor shower. The grounds are great. There's a koi pond. We're going to have some walking trails going throughout, and outdoor water features as well. Now, in the second outbuilding, they have it as an artist studio. And here's where that handcrafted iron staircase railings and balcony are that I was talking about. They're quite beautiful and really, really ornate. There's also just so much space. Here's some of those water features for outside. And just the grounds alone are a beautiful space. They've even got the chicken coop if that's something that you're interested in. And if you look in this picture here, down in the back, you can see, I was hoping I'd get it bigger. There we go. Where did it go? Oh, darn. Hold on one second. Here's some of those walking paths that they have. And here, I just wanted to show you on this one, the proximity of it to the river. So here's the house, and here's the Delaware. So you're really not too far, right over in Pipersville. So just to recap, We looked at 6 houses. We've got 109 Longshore in Yardley. That one is for just under 700,000, and that is an open house Saturday from 1 to 3. We have 5 Bolton Court. 5 Bolton Circle in Newtown for 785,000, which also has an open house on Saturday from 1 to 3. And we have 418 North Street in Doylestown, which also has an open house from 1 to 3 on Saturday. 54 North Church Street in Doylestown for $1 million. That one has an open house Sunday, September 28th from 1 to 4. 1310 Branch Road in Perkasie has an open house on both Saturday from 1 to 5 and Sunday from 11 to 5. That is the one that has very limited showing. So if you cannot make the open house and you want to go during the week, if you don't have an agent, give me a call and I can help you out with that. And 260 Cafferty Rd in Pipersville, that has an open house from 1 to 4. Now, I did forget, so I was so busy looking at some of the features on this one that I did forget to tell you. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, almost 5,000 square feet, plus about 1,500 square feet in the finished basement. This one is in Palisades School District, has central air, on-site well and septic. Oil heating and taxes are about $19,000 a year. So for Cafferty Rd with 20% down, you're looking at a monthly payment of approximately $17,000 a month. So these are my 6 picks for the weekend. Please go check them out. And if you are not working with an agent, I am happy to help you. I can either attend the open house with you, or I can take you, if you prefer, a private showing of one of these properties. I can always bring you through at another time. Again, if you're not working with an agent, I would be happy to help you out. If these houses are not right for you, but you want to know what else is out there, like I mentioned, there's about 926 houses currently active or coming soon in Bucks County. I would be happy to put together a search for you to find something that might better fit your needs. You know, if you need a farmhouse, if you need acreage, whatever it may be, let me know and let me do the searching for you. And then we can go find the right place for you. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. I will see you next week. And if you have any suggestions on what type of houses we should be looking at during next week's open house video, let me know in the comments below and I will try and get that on the list. You can reach me anytime. Here's my contact information one more time. You can reach me at realtor@laurentalvett.com. My phone number is 267-225-0111. You could call or text me on that. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Have a great weekend and good luck at those open houses.